hot.
This is a kid that drink coffee.
He like it.
Good.
See?
Berry on it.
It got what?
Berry on it.
Berries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about blue? I want blue coffee. I want blue coffee.
Why is he doing his chair like that? Do you see
I
him?
don't want a red coffee. I want blue coffee.
He want blue coffee.
I don't want a bad red coffee.
It's not red, it's brown.
Huh?
It's
I want
brown.
blue coffee.
It's brown.
Yep. You bet me. Green coffee. I want green coffee. This is just the green air coffee.
Oh, I heard that.
Oh, I want hot chocolate.
You want hot chocolate?
Yeah.
What kind of coffee you want?
I want blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Oh, blue coffee. Okay.
I want a green one.
What kind of coffee you want? What kind of coffee you want?
Caffeine. Caffeine.
You want caffeine?
Yeah.
Caffeine to keep you awake, man.
Huh?
You want decaffeinated.
Yeah.
What kind of coffee you want again?
Caffeine.
You want the caffeine. You want to stay awake, huh?
Yep.
You don't want to go to sleep, huh?
Huh?
You don't want to go to sleep, huh?
Huh?
You don't want to go to sleep, huh?
Nope.
Well, caffeine is going to keep you awake, man.
I want caffeine.
No. No caffeine.
I want caffeine.
No caffeine.
I want caffeine.
No caffeine.
I want caffeine.
No caffeine.
I want coffee.
No caffeine.
I want caffeine.
No.
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 I want caffeine.
What?
$100.
For some caffeine?
Huh?
For caffeine?
Don't go.
For some coffee?
Huh?
$100 for some coffee?
Yeah.
No.
I got $100.
I'm not paying $100 for some coffee.
That's not $100. I think I got $100.
I'm not paying $100 for some coffee.
You got $100?
I don't got no $100.
Yes, you did.
No, I don't.
Yes, you did.
When did you see me with $100?
I can see that you got $100. Nope.
You got $100?
Yep.
Show me.
I show. I show, baby.
Oh, okay. You show me then, baby.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. I don't know where to get.
You don't know where it is?
No.
Where is it?
In my own.
Where is it?
In what?
Where is it?
Somebody take it.
Who took it from you?
Somebody take it.
Somebody stole it?
Huh?
Somebody stole it?
Yeah.
Stole it.
Huh?
Who stole it?
Mama?
Mama stole it?
Yeah.
She didn't steal it.
Nala stole it.
Nyla didn't steal it. I didn't steal it. Did you steal it, Nyla?
Stole it, Nala.
No, she didn't.
Me?
Wait a minute. You stole $100 from yourself?
I stole it. Somebody take my glasses.
Your glasses?
Yeah.
What glasses?
He dumped it on it.
Stomped on it.
Yeah.
Somebody stomped on your glasses?
He did go like that.
They stomped on it.
Yeah, he go